I think we all are survivors of it, because I think cancer, the C word, everyone is touched by it.
When we heard Lindsay was pregnant, we were very elated. It was, a moment of joy, as it would be for anybody. And Lila was, our first grandchild coming into the world.
Finding out when she was pregnant, I was just so excited to get to be kind of a big sister, I guess, to someone, because I always had my big sister.
We knew that she was going in for the colonoscopy, and they called from the colonoscopy room, and he let me know that it was cancer. April the 8th, 2013, I remember it like it was yesterday some days and like it was a million years ago on other days.
I just remember saying to myself, you have to be strong because Lindsay's going to be strong.
That was probably the first thing in her mind when she was told that she had cancer. What does this mean to my pregnancy?
A leap of faith to me means jumping into the unknown, blindly not knowing the outcome, and knowing that a higher being, a God, my God, is going to be the safety net to catch me.
When someone in your family gets cancer, you get it too. Lindsay knew what could be the outcome, both good or bad, but what she did know is that her story would be her gospel.
Because Lindsay had such strong faith. She was so strong, and I knew at the end of the day, she wasn't just fighting for her life, she was fighting for my future niece's life.
It would be a story that would reach out and touch other people, a story that would give them hope and hopefully healing. And for our family, it was the same thing.
A good that has come out of her journey is honestly the park. The community that has built out of this has been so amazing.
Park is a place of hope and healing. Even outside of cancer, it's for anybody on a faith journey.
Because at the end of this, you're going to touch lives, no matter if that's one person or if that's 1 million people, and that your story will be heard.
With our faith, we were able to say, good or bad, the end really is good.